I'm Jimmy Blakeney with TAHE Sport. Today, I'm really excited to talk to you about a new product we're launching for 2021 called the Sup Yak. The Sup Yak is a stable, ultra-light, easy-to-use, 2-in-1 inflatable kayak and paddleboard combo. And it comes as a complete package with just about everything you need to get out on the water and have a great time with family and friends. What makes the Sup Yak so innovative is our proprietary daisy chain attachment system, which allows you to quickly and easily convert between paddleboard and sit-on-top kayak configurations. The best thing about the daisy chain attachment system running from nose to tail is the fact that you can customize exactly where you position your seat, your footrest, and any other accessories that you might want to attach to your board. While we were developing the daisy chain attachment system, we were able to incorporate twin stringer stiffening technology as well. And what that does is it gives your board added rigidity so that when you're out on the water, you feel like you're more on a rigid board than an inflatable. We really spent a lot of time developing a high quality, really comfortable seat and footrest system. It's really important when you're kayaking that your hips are elevated above your heels. So we have an elevated seating position. We also have an ergonomic footrest that allows you to press your feet against that footrest so that you have positive control so that you can activate your core, which is what you want to be using when you're out on the water kayaking. The Sup Yak was designed to be stable and user-friendly. With a wide tail and a narrower nose, it allows the board to cut through chop and have excellent glide, but still be super rock-solid stable when you're out on the water, either paddleboarding or kayaking. The Sup Yak comes in two sizes: a 10.6 with a capacity up to 300 pounds, and an 11.6 which can be used as a solo or tandem with a capacity of 450 pounds. I hope you enjoyed learning about the new Sup Yak. It's 100% kayak, 100% paddleboard, and 200% fun. To learn more, visit TAHEsport.com.